Suppose we have a set A containing the elements 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have another set R. This set R is a set of the ordered pairs A, B, where we have A and B belonging to the set A with the condition given that A is going to be dividing B. Now, our goal will be to write down the set R explicitly. Okay, let us begin. Now, here, what is R here? So R is a set which contains the ordered pairs A, B such that we have A belonging to the set A and B belonging to the set A as well. That means we're picking up the values of A and B from the set A. So A could be 1, 2, 3 or 4, B could be 1, 2, 3 or 4. But we have to be very specific how we choose the values of A and B. The values of B must be chosen in such a way such that A divides B. For instance, if we choose B to be equals to 1, then if B equals to 1, then A must be also equals to 1 because 1 is going to divide 1. So that means one of the ordered pair is going to be 1, 1. So if we choose our B value to be equals to 2, then we can choose A to be equals to 1 such that 1, 2 becomes the ordered pair where 1 divides 2. Next we have 1, 3 and next ordered pair will be 1, 4 because 1 divides each of the elements 1, 2, 3 and 4. So if we choose our next element to be equals to 2, then what should be the value of 2 such that 2 divides that element? So B can be equals to 2 because we know 2 divides 2. So 2, 2 is going to be one of the ordered pair. Then we can choose 2, 4 because 2 is going to divide 4. Next, what we can do, we can pick up 3, 3 because 3 divides 3. And then we have 4, 4. So 4 divides 4. So this is going to be the set R. So set R contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ordered pairs where the first element which is represented by A and B is the second element is the element B, and the first element is going to divide the second element in each of the ordered pairs.